Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Please provide a brief update on the Pepe token, which is currently exploding. As a result, Pepe token's market cap increased to $500 million. Pepe derivatives will be listed on BitMax with up to 50x leverage, which is kind of a big thing. So Pepe, will the market cap reach $1 billion? It certainly seems like it could. Pepe is extremely dangerous because the only thing that really supports it is the community's purchase of it. Yes, Pepe is there, which is good news. Pepe the meme is well known to everyone and has been around for ages. It is a little frog. And the market cap has increased by 2,100%, so it's really blowing out. That's crazy then. The Pepe token in question increased by 350% just over the weekend, and on Tuesday, the derivatives exchange BitMEX announced that it would list and provide perpetual swaps for the token. This will allow traders to trade the volatile asset with ridiculous leverage of up to 50 times. Some early investors have been making money while the hype surrounding the cruel token continues to grow. One trader used MetaMask swaps to sell $2 million worth of the coin, but they ended up losing $350,000 because of a 25% slippage brought on by the lack of liquidity. As another trader cashed out $678,000 worth of the token, Pepe's price temporarily dropped by almost 50%. So that's what to anticipate when tokens that are wild blow up like this. Consequently, Dogecoin's price behavior is very similar to Pepe's. Over time, a lack of liquidity or persistent demand has led to extreme volatility. When the hype started to fade, the price of Dogecoin frequently dropped sharply. When the derivatives markets go live, Pepe might experience sell pressure from traders looking to profit from a historically cyclical trend. Therefore, keep this in mind. Could Pepe's value keep rising? 100%? Do I believe investing your entire life savings is a wise move? Take out a second mortgage on your home as a mortgage? Sell your wife and your dog and invest the proceeds in Pepe. I don't believe that's the best plan, no. Will I now purchase some Pepe? I'm searching for a way to get started because I don't currently possess any. I'll probably spend around $100 on it simply for fun. Since, why not? Who cares if the number is 00? Well, at least I can say that I was a passenger on the Pepe train if it keeps going up. I believe it is more enjoyable than, say, becoming wealthy. I would advise sticking with cryptocurrencies that have use cases and offer some sort of value if you want to become wealthy with them. Of course, everyone is aware that you enjoy fantasizing about buying a meme coin and having it go off. Hey, it does that. And because that does happen to some people, I continue to dangle my toe in the water and purchase them. I give out alerts, and I did so last night, covering a variety of entry places for micro-cap tokens with enormous value since they actually have uses for them as well as blue Shiba tokens. That's great, you should participate, but will it gain in value with Pepe? I'll list a few scenarios where I think its value will increase. By the way, the markets as a whole appear to be in excellent shape right now. Shiba Inu is online, along with all of our favorite tokens. Pepe, it's currently up 24%. Do I anticipate it to rise further? The price will undoubtedly skyrocket at this point if Elon Musk, for whatever reason, gets a wild hair up his butt and decides to tweet about Pepe, which he absolutely could. Do I believe he will do that? Most likely not. He is a big Dogecoin fan. With Elon Musk though, you just never know. That means there is definitely a chance. Don't exclude that then. Additionally, he must take care to avoid being sued. He speaks about these topics because he is such a prominent person, We'll wait and see what happens with Pepe though. Even though some whales have joined, it still isn't the right moment to invest. As you are aware, it is not confirmed. Pepe could now either completely disappear and turn into nothingness or zero, or everyone could pay out and simply pull those drops to zero. That might occur. It might develop into a rug pull, or the Pepe lead developer could simply say, "Hey, I want to let you know, since the community loves it so much." Since there is no disputing the fact that the community adores Pepe, then let's add some utility behind it, they might say. Create a blockchain then. They could do that, so let's sort of do what should be required. And it would grow considerably. In fact, if I were the one who came up with Pepe, I think that's what I would do. It's not sustainable, so I wouldn't just leave it alone. The question is, will you become a multi-millionaire with Pepe? But hey, that's, within the realm of possibility. So these are the things we have to think about right now. Not with the present market cap. Unless you invest a lot of money, it's too pricey and not very likely right now. Can you still profit from it? You can double your money if the market cap reaches $1 billion. It would be fantastic if they were to obtain a large burn system. But they have a massive, massive supply in circulation. I actually wanted to share this with you guys, so please go look at it. 426 is it? 9 is a lot. That'd be 100,000 million billion trillion. Therefore, there are 420 trillion billion tokens in use. Therefore, they had to burn a lot of fuel if they wanted to significantly raise the price, which was possible. Seriously, who knows? Once more, the choice of 26 was another indication that whoever developed this